Hi everyone, my name's Matt.
My name's James.
And we are the founders of Limpet. Well, a few years ago, rode to my mate's house. I left my bike outside, just leaning against the wall. I had a bike lock with me, but there's nothing to lock it to. And in that short space of time, someone had pinched it.
I also had a bike with a tracker on, but it wasn't a deterrent in itself, so it didn't stop someone just taking the bike and they just took the tracker off and threw it away. We needed an answer where we could provide a plausible theft deterrent, as well as something with the tracking capability, and that's where the idea of Limpet came from.
3 years worth of prototyping, and we're finally at a point where we can show you guys what we've got.
We're both really excited. We've both put everything on the line to make this happen and make it a reality, and we just can't wait to take this thing out there, take it to market and start helping people keep their motorbikes and bikes safe. We really hope you like it, and thank you so much for your support.
The building block is one of the most basic and fundamental toys, yet for decades it has remained unchanged, until now. Hi, my name is Matt.
And I'm Mark, and 2 years ago we launched Fidget Cube. With the help of over 150,000 backers, we brought the project to life.
Now we're back on Kickstarter for the first time since 2016 to show you what we've been working on. Introducing Pixel.
Pixel is a magnetic building system that is infinitely expandable, so you can build as small or as big as you want. With no grooves, notches, or specific sides to line up, we've reimagined what a building block can be with the help of rare earth magnets, which we've designed to auto-rotate. Simply take one pixel block, place it next to another pixel block, and watch them snap together.
From there, you can choose to build things to the side to keep things two-dimensional, or you can build in all directions to make them three-dimensional. And with Pixel available in 4 different sizes and 52 different colors, you have a vast palette to work with.
Don't know what to build? No problem. With the Pixel Companion app, you'll be able to find inspiration from other users' designs, or build your own designs in app and share them with the rest of the Pixel community. If 2D art is more your style, upload an image and let the app do the rest, converting your picture into an easy to follow along blueprint made from the exact pixel palette of 52 colors. You can also choose to manually customize your blueprint block by block. We've spent a lot of time working on Pixel, so this is where you come in. We've got tooling underway, but we're turning to you to take this system and community to the next level.
Be sure to check out our project rewards and choose the one that's right for you.
As ANSI Labs, our priority has always been and will continue to be to create interesting, unique, and fun products made with high-quality materials and standards. And we're confident in saying that we met those goals with Pixel. We can't wait for you to get your hands on Pixel so you can show us what your imagination is capable of. Thank you for your support.
We're not going to lie to you or make any wild claims that it's going to save the planet or anything ridiculous like that, but it is fun. It's a fun thing. We designed it to play games. It has a Raspberry Pi Zero inside, that is the heart of it, and that's the form factor we've chosen to take. So if you're into landscape gaming, this is for you. You can take it anywhere. It is tiny. It has an IPS screen, which is crisp. You can read all the tiny text. It's just amazing. So if we make a comparison next to a traditional sized handheld games console, you can see just how tiny our device is, making it super portable. You can see as well that we have 4 face buttons, action buttons, as well as a D-pad, and on top we also have an L and R shoulder buttons to play those games that require it. Now it has that crisp screen, it does have sound, it does have the power button on the bottom there, and if you ever look around the device, it is just beautiful. So the cases themselves, they're nylon printed, they're printed in nylon, and it's a magical thing using dust and lasers. It's amazing. It brings out these HD quality prints where you can see all the detail in the buttons, all the detail in the writing, and all the labels on there. It's just every tiny detail is crisp. It's amazing, amazing technology. It's not 3D printed. We have white and black, and this is Oreo, is the other color scheme, and we also have Humbug. Yes, it's the opposite color scheme. It's white with black in it. So you can mix and match the 4 different colors. Now I can't stop playing this device. I have one in my pocket. You should get a Pi in your pocket, and it should be a Tiny Pi Pro. Let's play some games. Seriously, you need to get one of these. Tiny Pi Pro.